Welcome to part 2 of the ribbon interface. In this video we will look at the indicators and drawing tools tabs. I've opened the workspace pop stocks. It defaults to the home tab on the ribbon, and I would like to put on some indicators. So we bring up the indicators menu, and it is divided into specific categories according to the indicators. The main group of indicators is under indicators. You click on the drop down box to add an indicator. You just select it. Let's put on a MACD. Just click on it and it will put a MACD on in its own panel. Price lines are prices based on the close, high, medium, open, etc. Let's put on a close line. Then we have equity index. As we're on the Australian Stock Exchange, Exchange Index 1 is the main All Ords Index. Exchange Index 2 would be the S&P 200, and the Sector Index and also the Industry Index you could overlay. Let's put on Exchange Index 1, the All Ords. Any of the indicators that you add can also be deleted. If you click on the Delete All series, it will delete everything on the screen. You can also delete one index at a time. To do this, you just right click on the index and you can delete Exchange Index 1, for instance. So let's do that. Click Yes to the message. Index will disappear. We also have specialist indicators from Jim Berg, Darryl Guppy and Alan Hull. Under Darryl Guppy we can add the Davis box. Under Alan Hull we can add the rate of annual return. Another way of organising your indicators, if you want to get rid of them one at a time or change colours, instead of going to the home ribbon and bringing up the map, you can bring up the properties window by clicking on the spanner in the left hand corner of the chart. If we click on our line close, we can change the colours or the thickness of the line. If we click on the Davis box, we can also change the colours, the shading, etc. And we can delete it also from here. So let's delete the Davis box. Click on Yes, and you can see the Davis box will disappear. Let's bring up a fresh chart and we'll click on Drawing Tools. Drawing Tools are also laid out under headings on the ribbon. Symbols, to put on a symbol, just select one and put it on the chart. Under lines, we have several lines. Let's click on a line and pop it on. A line will show the slope, simple growth and compound growth. Under patterns we have a selection. Under bands we also have a selection, and you put these on the same way. Just click on them and select a spot. We also have shapes, Darryl Guppy's countback lines and average true range. Once again, to delete all the drawing tools, you just click on Delete All Drawing Tools. If you want to manage your drawing tools or change anything about them, you can bring up the map from the home ribbon, or you can click on the little spanner in the left hand corner. Let's click on the line and let's remove the slope, the simple growth and also the compound growth figures. You might like to change the line width from 1 to something thicker. You just click on Select, and now we have a thicker line without the figures. On Drawing Tools, you'll notice it's only applicable to the chart that it's on, whereas indicators, if I put them on a group, say my top 20, let's add an Alan Hull multiple moving average, it will be on every stock in my top 20 if I click through them. It will not be on any other tab in my workspace. This concludes this second video on indicators and drawing tools. Thank you.